Good afternoon, opal fans, Comet Opal fans, whatever opal fans, Boulder opal fans. Here's a piece of opalized wood that just popped out of the wall, and you could probably see back up in there. There's the other part of it. There's some color over there, and there's some bit of color over there. So now I've got to clean up underneath here and see what else is up there. But that's kind of an interesting piece. Oops, sorry about the lighting. That's an okay piece of opalized wood. And who knows what else is in that rock, this rock right here. I mean, that could be it, or there could be a whole lot more. So I've got to clean up around here, and then we will dig out the rest of that and hope that keeps running in there for a while. But we'll find out in the not too distant future. At least you'll probably find out. I'm gonna move some dirt and sweat and get out of breath and grunt some more. But I think there'll be a bit more color up there. Anyway, thank you for taking a look. Thank you for watching. Oops, that didn't focus quite right. And let's keep our fingers crossed that there's some more in there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.